Hey guys, I'm back and this is my unboxing video.
I purchased these products from Monat. This is a vegan, non-toxic company that I will be joining soon. But I wanted to give a little test to just see how the products are before I jump into it. So stay tuned. Okay, so these are the products that I will be testing out today. These 4 right up front, maybe 3 because the balm is it's kind of for like removing makeup, and I don't know if I'm putting makeup on today. But I'm going to be Gentle Skin Revitalizing Essence, and also the Be Gentle Moisturizer. And I cannot wait to try these products, so stay tuned. Also, I have some jelly for the curls I'm going to be trying out when I do my hair. And also the small bottle is for hand sanitizer. Those 2 were free and it came with my package here. Also the purple bag, those 2 free products was they were in there, and in the bag there's like 2 little thank you gratitude cards. Very cute bag. So yeah, this is my unboxing video, so let's stay tuned because I'm excited. Okay, so yeah, this is the product Monat. This is the hashtag. This is the box here that it comes in. We are Modern Nature. Cute little purple bag, and in the bag is those 2 products, jelly, I'll show you after, and comes with a little card. You can see a little gratitude thank you card, and I ordered 4 products here. So yeah, this morning I'm going to do a skincare routine for the first time using these products. So stay tuned. Okay, so yeah, this is what's in this bag. I got 2 free products for buying that package. This is the flexible holding gel. So I'm gonna do that when I do my curls, my natural curls. And also hand sanitizer. We definitely need that today. So yeah, this is the first product and this is the second. And this is a little cute bag. So this first product, if you can see it, is a cream cleanser that gently lifts and washes away dirt and impurities while it conditions and nourishes, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and hydrated and healthy looking. So I'm going to start with this and then we're going to move on to the next step. So this is the actual bottle, if you can see it. I know my freaking ring light is so bright. Or maybe I'm just standing too close, but I'm going to. And it's dry plus sensitive skin, and I have sensitive skin and dry skin, as you can see. So cute product. It has the little rose gold tops. Inside the boxes is like rose gold and has a little thing. So I'm gonna open this and I'm going to wash my face. I'm gonna take, I already have some in my hand. You just take a little bit, they said, and then you're gonna rub it together. Really good, and then you just go gently. You're gonna rub, and then I just took a little bit of water, but I may need some more water. It is thick, so but it feels very good. It's creamy. So not soapy, but like it's just feels like a cream. Maybe I should to it again. Don't mind my eye. Okay, so here we are. I put more water on, and you just gently rub your skin. And I should wear like a headband, but whatever. But yeah, I believe this is good for your complexion as well. And my complexion is like different. It's dark. My neck is darker, so I know I need to get like even skin. But yeah, it feels really good, and definitely because my skin is sensitive, I don't feel like it's burning or irritating my skin. But yeah, feels good, smooth, and you just gently massage with warm water, and you only need like a dime size in their product. Okay, so I washed my face. I patted it with a damp towel, and now it's time for the skin revitalizing essence. This is the bottle. You can see refining water treatment. So yeah, this is it. I believe it's a lightweight miracle water that quickly hydrates and replenishes, giving a smoother, brighter, more radiant complexion to all skin types. So yeah, I'm gonna try this and another rose gold top. It looks silver probably on screen, but it's rose gold. And my skin feels good just using that. And my skin is very, very like crazy. So let me see. Yeah, so you just pour some in your hand, not too much. And pat it. Smells good. It smells really good. Like, I believe it's like a little flower. I wonder if it's rose water. I don't know, but I'll use a little bit more because it smells good. You just pat it on your skin. Gently. That's what I have to learn to be gentle. Okay, so this is the last step. Be gentle, nourishing moisturizer. Okay, and this one, basically you apply to your face and neck after your favorite Monat serum in the AM. I'm gonna get the Rejuvenique oil, which I heard was very, very good. I'm gonna get that. It's a little, I'll wait till they have a sale. But anyway, so it comes with a little scooper, so cute. And also I believe this massages like all over, but yeah, you scoop a little bit out. A little goes a long way, and it's very thick, as you can see. So scoop it and you put it all over your face. A little scoop. It probably could have put less, but I'm putting some on my neck too. So yeah, put it here. And again, it smells good, but it's not like activated, I believe. Actually, I probably should have just put dots, but whatever. Next time I'll do it right. And these are my dry zones here anyway. My nose, around my nose. It feels so good and smooth and creamy. Like, my skin looks so good. Don't mind my brows. So that is all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, this unboxing video of Monat products. And again, let me get them right quick. So it's the Be Gentle. It's the Skin Revitalizing that I use today. And it's the Be Gentle Nourishing Moisturizer. So, and of course I'm gonna end it with my hand sanitizer because we want to be clean and safe with all that's going on. And it's very nice, non-toxic. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe and ring that bell notification because I am going to be doing a review on the gel for the curls. It's a flexible holding gel. And also makeup vanishing balm. So stay tuned. Let me know in the comments what you think about this video. And if you want to order, hit me up. I do have a supplier until I start my own business, which will be soon. But thank you again for watching. I love you guys. Stay tuned. Okay, so my final review on these products for today. My skin is soft. It doesn't feel irritated at all. There's a light scent to it, but it's not like crazy that I'm getting irritated. Yeah, looks very nice, smooth. Usually after I wash my face, my skin dries out very quickly. With the first Be Gentle, it did not. And I'm pleased, I'm happy. I'm gonna continue to keep using these products, and let me know if you want another update. This is the first day, but yeah, thank you.